Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to log into WhatsApp without verification code. There are two other ways that in which you can just log into your WhatsApp without your verification code. That is so head over to your web browser and search for WhatsApp web. Head over there. And once you're there, WhatsApp will just lead you to this sort of page, and that is just scanning this QR code, and the other one is login with phone number. If you want to scan your QR code, all you need to do is just tap the menu icon on Android and go to settings on iPhone, and then tap link devices and then link a device, and then on your phone screen you just have to scan this QR code and then your WhatsApp will be logged in. And then there's another way of logging with your phone number in which you just have to add your country name and the country code with your phone number with which you have opened up your WhatsApp account, and then click on next, and there will be a OTP. You just need to verify that OTP with your phone number via SMS, and then you will be able to log in your WhatsApp account. And yeah, these are the two ways with which you can log in to your WhatsApp account without verification code. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.